all very different. Once it gets to be a photograph, and then it gets blown up, and then it's a silk screen, and then color follows, and then this is a juxtaposition of imagery that is hopefully non-logical.
Robert Rauschenberg painted in the mid to late 1900s and is considered by many to be the premier artist of the second half of the 20th century. His combination of classic painting approach with found objects and splashes and drips challenged the conventions of modern art. Rauschenberg studied at the Kansas City Art Institute and at the Académie Julienne in Paris. He also attended the progressive Black Mountain College in North Carolina. Rauschenberg. My incentive as an artist has always been a curiosity to see just what a painting can be. He said, "You find two extremes, usually as cliches. One is that, oh, you're a painter, isn't that wonderful? You're sensitive. You've got all those wonderful, beautiful thoughts. And the other is, you're a little crazy, aren't you?"
The abstract expressionists and myself had what they had in common, we had in common was touch. I was never interested in their pessimism or editorializing. You have to have time to feel sorry for yourself if you're going to be a good abstract expressionist. And I think I always considered that a waste. But what we did, that, you know, like what I did, that looks like abstract expressionism, is that with their grief and art passion and action painting, they let the brushstroke show. I may have said that painting relates as much to life as it does to art, or vice versa, but I don't think so. I said that you couldn't make either. And you had to work in that hole between. That makes the adventure of painting. You begin with the possibilities of the material, and then you let them do what they can do. So the artist is really almost a bystander while he's working.
Rauschenberg said, "I always have a good reason for taking something out, but I never have one for putting something in. And I don't want to, because that means the painting is being made pre-digested." Rauschenberg said, "Understanding is a form of blindness. Good art, I think, can never be understood." Robert Rauschenberg is generally considered one of the second-generation New York School artists. He and Jasper Johns in particular, and Louise Nevelson, are known for reviving Duchamp's idea of ready-mades, or found objects, and using those found objects to make art. They collected objects they found on the street and incorporated them in sculptures, reliefs, and paintings. Rauschenberg called his found object pieces combines.
I just collected a bunch of old posters or signs and tried to make them as diverse as possible. You're the one who has all the references because of your experience.